All right, so let's get into the storage and particularly the climate where you live. Well, you know what? I live in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. We see drastic changes in weather. I know if I keep that bowling ball in my car over the wintertime and don't do much with it, chances are it's going to be harmed. That core inside the ball is going to expand and contract the more I take it in and out of my vehicle. Just like in the summertime, you know what? It gets pretty hot and humid there. We also don't want to just leave it in the car or in that climate, maybe just leave it in a warm garage. We want to keep it in a cool temperature. Ideally, room temperature is the best. Okay, how do we store it? Well, a few key components with storing the bowling ball. First of all, the best thing we want to do is keep that ball with moisture. The more the moisture in the bowling ball evaporates, it gets very hard and it cracks. I've had some crack just sitting in my house in the bad spots. I'm going to show you where not to do that. First of all, get a plastic bag. We can put that over the bowling ball and keep its freshness, moisture inside the ball. It's not going to crack as much, okay? We want to keep the life of the ball going over time. Another area to store the bowling ball, possibly in your house, not to store it on carpet or even wood. What happens there is that moist part of the bowling ball is going to dry up. Chances are you're going to see a crack as well. What I like to do, if I'm going to have it sitting on wood or even on the carpet, I'm going to put a towel on that ball. So we can just store it, basically simply put the ball right on the towel, keep it there, don't let it touch wood or anything that's going to absorb moisture. All right. One thing is these bowling balls are kind of expensive. We want to take care of them. They allow us to perform at a high level. The less you have to keep purchasing these balls, your pocketbook will be a lot better. I really like to do this in my house. I keep a lot of bowling balls in the plastic, or I also keep it off wood directly with the right products.